Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be battling a Shadow Dragon in Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so I just got the Shadow Dragon Orb, so we are going to go ahead and battle the Shadow Dragon. So there's a Shadow Dragon. Hopefully I can get the boots this time. So, Shadow form, all non-astral spells have a 25% chance of missing. Enemies reflect shadow spells back at whoever casts them. Your team's shadow spells do less than 25 damage, so we just don't want to do shadow spells. So yeah, we can just use Regalaxy here. So we are going in with Luminite and Regalaxy. So I have sort of seen the Shadow Dragon before. I have not seen the Astral Dragon. I saw the Shadow Dragon in the trailer. But yeah, here it is, a new friend or a new enemy. So we didn't see the Puppet Master this time. I sort of know why. So, 216. Yeah, I wasn't expecting to do too much with that. I'm just keeping, or I have Luminite here just because it's Astral, so it's not going to get taken out. Let's use Starburst. 573, that's good. Ooh, that is cool. That's like, that's like an all-out attack though, but it doesn't do much. No, I think I've seen that spell before in the CDN, but it does look really cool. So, there we go, only 79. And let's do this. And I guess we'll do Conflagration. Not gonna do that much though. Okay, yeah, missed. Let's see if you can handle my shadows. So it does like a sound wave attack, sort of. Let's do Astral Storm, yeah. Oh wait, I accidentally did Shooting Stars. Okay, 382. 226 isn't a lot. We will definitely win this. Let's do Starbit. Pretty much all you have to do is use Astral spells, and you should be good. So that only does 79. I really like how the Storm Dragon looks. I didn't really like how it looked when I saw it in, like, the images and stuff, but it looks really cool here. So, let's do this. Miss. I just want to understand why you're here. 69. Glub Glub David. What's this? Oh, I didn't get to do it. I want to see what it's like called. Yeah, just Shadow Dragon. So, let's do Starburst again. 573, we're one attack away. We should be able to do that with the Starbit next turn. They're going to use that, like, all-out attack thing again. It's not very good. And then we'll finish it off with Starbit right here. So, there we go. This should do 222. And there we go, 396. I'm glad you didn't run away. And then, yeah. So now let's see if we can get the boots. There's only like one slot with it. So yeah, we didn't get it. And yeah. Now we will hopefully be able to get the Astral Dragon Orb next video. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.